Hello, everyone. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your child's mind? Welcome to our Midbrain activation course, where we make the extraordinary possible. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our innovative Midbrain activation course, specially designed for children. Imagine your child tapping into their inner genius, enhancing their creativity, and boosting their confidence to new heights. It's all possible with our proven techniques. I'm amazed at how much my child has grown since starting the Midbrain activation course. Their focus has improved, and they are more confident in everything they do. That's wonderful to hear. Our program isn't just about academic success, it's about nurturing your child's overall development. Our Midbrain activation course includes a range of fun and engaging activities designed to stimulate the midbrain. From music and movement to mindfulness exercises, we unlock the hidden potential within each child. The midbrain is like the powerhouse of the brain, responsible for processing information and regulating emotions. By activating this vital area, we empower children to reach new heights of success. And the best part is that the kids love it. They're having a blast while their minds are being primed for greatness. So, why wait? Give your child the gift of enhanced learning, improved focus, and boundless confidence with our Midbrain activation course. Thank you for joining us. Together, let's unlock the limitless potential within every child's mind. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.